In this video, I will show you how to get paid for uploading photos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online this year, 2022. How do we do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid uploading photos. Yes, you heard it right. This absolutely free site will allow you to earn money over and over again, no matter where you're coming from. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way to the end. Now let's get back to the video. This is the website that we will be using today in order to get paid, and this site is called Dailyuploadsnet. It is a site I know most of you have never heard of before. So let me explain how it works. Dailyuploads.net pays you whenever someone downloads photos or any files you've uploaded here, and every time someone tries to download one of your files, they will first see ads before they can proceed, and the ad revenue is split between you and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the rest, and this one pays a lot more money per 1,000 downloads than other sites. Furthermore, a great thing about this site is that when you upload those files, you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever. In order to get paid, this website does all the work for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic you will get and earn even more money. Now, how much money will you get paid exactly? Well, for all the information relating to earnings, you can check it out by clicking on Make Money right up here. And that will then take you to this page where you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a good thing because it's not that much compared to other sites. You can also see that they offer various payment methods like Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and PayPal, so they do have plenty of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out, you can get paid up to $16 per 1,000 downloads. And while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that by going over some other similar platforms like upload-forever.com and comparing the prices, you can see that this website will pay you at most $7 per 1,000 downloads. So Dailyuploads.net will earn us more than twice as much money for the same amount of downloads, which is a big difference. And that's one of the main reasons I'm showing you this website. In continuation, you can see that Dailyuploads.net do have a referral system in place, and this is a great way to make some extra cash using this website. Another big reason why I'm showing you this is because of the amount of traffic it gets. The number of people that visit this site in a month greatly impacts how much money you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats, you can come over to SimilarWeb.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit a website each month, and from which countries do these people come. And when I searched for Dailyuploads.net, I found that over 1.8 million people visit the website every single month, which is a very huge amount of people. Just think about this for a second. 10,000 people downloading a photo you've uploaded would earn you up to $160, and that's just 0.6% of the people who visit this site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn decent money easily with this website. Now, in order to start making money with Dailyuploads.net, you need to register for a free account by clicking on the sign up right here. And that will then take you to this page where you need to fill out your username, email address, password, and of course your payment information. When you're done, just click on I'm not a robot and click submit. And now you're all set. But there is one big question left unanswered, and that is, what files will you be uploading? Well, what you need to do is find content that will actually benefit the person downloading it, which in turn will lead to more downloads. So, all you have to do is go over to a website called Pexels.com. On this site, you can find royalty-free photos and videos, and you can download them and use with no copyright infringement and with no attribution required. Uploading photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from these. The best part is that these photos and videos are royalty-free, so they can use them however they want. Moreover, Pexels offers professional-looking photos and videos. The thing is that not many people know about Pexels, which is really advantageous on your part who watch this entire video. Now, for example, you can search dogs here, since not only do they look adorable, but also people love them, so more people will want to download them. Now, you don't have to search for dogs per se. This is just an example to show you how you can simply do this. And just a side note, if you want to upload photos on Dailyuploadsnet, then make sure you download multiples of them, 10 photos at least, and then group them together into a folder and upload that entire folder, because Dailyuploadsnet requires a minimum size of a file to be 1 megabyte. In continuation, when you find something that you like, all you need to do is open up that photo or video and click on Free Download in the upper right corner in order to download it straight onto your computer for absolutely free. On the other hand, to upload the file, what you need to do is go back to Dailyuploadsnet and click right here. Then find the file on your computer and open it up, and then just click Start Upload right here. Just wait until it uploads, and then when it does, you will be presented with the link to that file. As I said earlier, this website will get you traffic, and people will download your file no matter what. But I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as possible. You can start sharing it on various Facebook groups, Twitter, Instagram, and in all social media platforms in general because these are excellent places to get traffic. To sum it up, this strategy is as simple as compiling photos and videos from the site I mentioned, getting those files for free, and uploading them on Dailyuploads.net. And then just let the website do its job by giving you traffic, and you will be making money over and over again every time someone downloads those files. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you get paid uploading photos. Wait, everyone, where are you going? Before you leave, I have an amazing offer for you, which can make amazing money online. You don't have to do any hard work, create any videos, or write content. It's a cash injection system that forces $20 payment into your bank account. Yes, you heard it right. The more you follow this process, the more you make money online. This method helps you to earn money on autopilot. You are just 3 clicks away from receiving endless payments. As you can see here, this is the name of this amazing money-making software called Injecto. It's the world's first ever cash injecting system. You can see the amazing reviews shared by the people for this amazing app. You just need to follow 3 simple steps and boom, you will make a lot of money online without actually doing anything. So what are you waiting for? Go get the link from the description and get started today. I hope you enjoyed this bonus offer. Thank you for watching. Now before you go, I would like to ask you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications for our future videos.